going to happen on the Forex market. NASDAQ, US30. If you want to know more, watch until the end and I'm going to share in-depth information on what's going to happen today on the Forex market. Let's jump on the chart and see what's going to happen.
Number one, DXY. Okay, so the first thing we always look at when we analyze the market, when we're doing the massive trends, is to look at DXY. Okay, traders. So remember this. One of the key points when you're doing analysis is to begin on DXY. When you're doing a top-down analysis, you want to begin on DXY. And the reason why we begin on DXY is because the DXY is the dollar itself. Okay, the dollar itself. It's the dollar itself. And what I mean by the dollar itself is basically saying that we are basically seeing is a dollar buying or selling. And if I can understand if a dollar is buying or selling, that means that I'll understand if NASDAQ will be buying or selling for the day. So therefore, we're not going to do a thorough analysis, but we're just going to do a light scope on it. Is it buying or selling, or is it buying or selling? That's all. So one of the most important things, which I don't want you guys to forget, is look at the daily candle of yesterday. And that will kind of give you a perspective to understand what's happening in the market. So you see bullish, but is it going with the trend? No, it's not going with the trend. So what is the trend on the daily time frame? Let's do it together, okay? We're going to do it together. We can start on top, anywhere you're on top, and we can see already, I don't know if you guys can see this already, that there's already a trend happening over here. So what do you think? This is what trend is this on the daily time frame? It is a downtrend. So dollar's been losing strength from about March, the beginning of March. Dollar hasn't been doing well, traders. The dollar's been going down, down, and down. March, and then now we're April again. April's almost coming to an end. That means 2 months of down, like a downtrend. That means the dollar's been losing strength. So if we're gonna look at NASDAQ, what should NASDAQ be doing? NASDAQ should be looking for 2 months of buying. US30, 2 months of buying. Gold, 2 months of buying. Euro USD, 2 months of buying. Pound GBP, pound USD, buying. So I'm trying to teach you guys right now is the correlation at the same time. So this is a lesson for you guys as well. Is the correlation between the pairs. You get correlation between pairs, right? So if dollar's buying, NASDAQ is selling. If dollar's buying, US30 is selling. Now, if you can understand this on a higher scope, you'll understand what can happen on a higher scope for NASDAQ, US30, gold, Euro USD, GBUSD, all the major pairs it has, it's including the dollar. Okay? So right now, once that is you understand that, I can see, okay, Shakil, can there be drawn a trend on this thing? Can I draw a trend on here? Let's try it. Let's try it. No. Maybe like this. This seems decent. Do you see that? Do you guys see it? The trend looks very clean like that, eh? So let's go on the 4 hour now. Once you're done, go to the 4 hour. Let's see how it looks on the 4 hour. Okay, I see you. Clean. And maybe if I could evolve it, maybe if I could evolve it, that could be the one now. And I could just take this like this and evolve my trend to the current trend as is right now. There we go. And I could see that the trend is quite bearish, sorry, quite bearish. And what is bearish, for those who doesn't know, it's down. And if you're still confused about the trends, then I need you guys to go watch that video I posted yesterday on the YouTube about spotting trends. When do I buy and sell? So right here, are you looking for buys in this market, traders? No, no. Never look for buy right now. We're not looking for buys right here. You don't want to look for buys. You want to look for a continuous sell lower. If you can't see it, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. So right now, the market is currently there, right? You can see the trend is going down and down and down. So the trend for this market, we call it a major trend because it's a high time frame. A trend from a high time frame is known as a major trend. Okay, so the major trend is down. Okay, now we also, okay, what's the trend for the day? Shakil, I don't want to know. I don't want to know what's the trend for Daikin income. What's the trend for today? Can you let me know what's the trend for today? Because I want to buy. I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader, right? And I do get you. Trust me, I do get you because again, I'm not a swing trader. You guys know, like you guys genuinely know, I'm not a swing trader. I can't, I can't hold a trade through my sleep. Like it's irritating. Like it irritates me. I want to wake up. No, baby, I'm just looking at the time. I'm looking at the trade. How far is the trade by my stop loss? If it's not by my stop loss, sleep. Yeah, if it's close to my stop loss, I'm gonna be up, right? And it's unfortunate that it's fortunate. It's unfortunately that I'm fortunate to understand my personality. And as a trader, as an individual, you need to be able to understand your personality. Therefore, you can work with it. Not don't work against it because you're watching some trade on Instagram to imitate what he's doing. And my training style won't necessarily work with you. It's fine. But we can get that, we can understand that, okay, on a major time frame. So you see, I'm helping the swing traders and I'm helping the scalpers and I'm helping the day traders. I'm giving all. So now swing traders, for all those guys who likes to swing trades, and I know you guys love it, like to bash the people who doesn't swing trades. You guys are not successful because you can't hold trades. Trust me, you can make money regardless of time frame. Okay. So for major boys, the guys that thinks that the big boys, right? The major time frame, this is for you. You can see the major trend is down. So you on a major time frame, don't try to become on the 5 minute and say you're a scalper now. Now you're trying to go stick on the time frame. Understand that for the major guys, swing traders, and for those who doesn't know what is a swing trader is a person that hold trades for 2 to 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, a month. Swing trading. You swing in that trade like you're swinging a hockey stick. You know what I mean? Then you get a day trader called an intraday trader or a day trader, which like myself. Okay, a person that holds a trade for more than an hour, longer than an hour, longer than 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, and he's done. You guys see on the live, I'm sometimes holding a trade for 2 hours, right? Sometimes the trade goes like 7 minutes, boom, trade is done. So this year for today, the major trend down here is down. But let's see the day's trend, traders. The day's trend is going to be what? Let's look at this. Now we have another trend right over here that's been broken, right? You guys see that? The trend here has been broken. Now that is a minor trend that has been broken, right? And now we go a little zoom a little more in. What's the trend here? What's the trend? What's the trend? What's the trend? What's the trend for the day here? Follow me. Today is the 18th. Now watch if I can zoom this in for you guys. Look at this. What's the trend for the day? It's down. It's bearish. So I'm going to I'm going to assume, right, that NASDAQ will be doing the exact same. You understand? We're going to see this. We're going to continue going down for the day. I know NASDAQ should continue going up. I mean, in dollars should continue going down for the day. The only time you want to be buying this market, traders, is if this market breaks out of here, right? And then the trend has changed for the day. Unfortunate, it's fortunate enough. I guess that's the word for the day. It's unfortunate for the day that the trend is down and we're looking for sells. Okay, so we're looking for sells. And like, Shakil, where do you sell then? Okay, listen. I told you guys the area of value is the trend line, right? So we love to sell off a trend line. If we're not trading precision box, we're selling off a trend line. It's a beautiful thing, okay? Right here, traders. Over here, over here. And anytime the market comes back towards here, that is when you want to be selling. Okay? Now let's go over to the other market. Now, remember this. Dollar is down. NASDAQ should be up. Gold should be up. Euro USD should be up for the day. So that means for the day, we're looking for dollar to sell. For the day, we're looking for NASDAQ too. Let me open up a chat for you guys. Let me see if you guys understand this right now. Okay. Let me know in the chat right now, traders. Let me know in the chat. What do you guys think? What should happen for dollar today? NASDAQ today. What's happening on NASDAQ for today? What's happening on gold today? Tell me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now listen to me. Listen to me. Can I please come closer? Come closer. When you're trading, remember what you said here. So don't go look for the sells. Listen here. Come here. Come here. When you're trading on your own, don't go decide to go sell NASDAQ. You said buy. Now you're gonna go later and you press a sell. Why do you do that to yourself? Don't do that. Guys, you said sell. You said buy me, right? Don't sell. I told you, right? You answered yourself. Now let's go to NASDAQ right now. Let's go to NASDAQ. Okay? Ladies say, sell. Gosh damn, I knew it wasn't a buy. Why didn't I just buy? Because you didn't want to listen. Discipline. Let's go to NASDAQ. Ooh. Okay, let's look at NASDAQ traders. We're now on NASDAQ fire analysis coming out for you guys right now. I want to just take a moment for you guys and look at this right here. The precision, remember yesterday, the same box, same thing, the trend was down and we went against the trend a couple of times, which is quite bad. And it's a lesson for my Shaquille, myself as well. I want you guys to look at this, right? The precision box yesterday, before we go any further, let's check the precision box out yesterday. How did it work? Actually, I got I took a loss there yesterday, right? And of course, I took a loss in front of everyone, so it's not like I hide it away. I'm not scared to say it because I'm here to motivate you guys, inspire you, and show you that still in the month, I'll still make money. In a month, I still do money, but some people can't manage a 1 week of loss or 2 weeks of losing because they end up blowing all the money. Yeah, you know what I mean? So let me show you guys. Here we go. There's the 1527 minute candle, right? If you don't know the strategy, if you don't know this strategy, this is the strategy I've created. For those who doesn't know, please do understand you need to go learn the strategy. I shared it out on YouTube all for free. Okay, it's the same thing I trade live with every single day. So here we go. The first trade I took was right here, there, right? And I took a small trade, like 100 rand. I was risking, I was testing the water, so we can't like really call it my main, can't call it my main trade, right? So then I was like, okay, let's test it out again, traders. I tested out around here, small trade. I said, okay, no. And then it was here, somewhere around here, there. I said, okay, guys, I'm gonna take a trade right now. Boom, I took a trade, right? I lost 1,000 rand. So my risk for the day was 1,000 rand. I lost it. So I was like, okay, cool, guys, it's not working. So you can see how confusing it is. Why was it confusing, traders? And please write this down. On Mondays, it's very volatile. There's a lot of manipulation happen on a Monday, meaning that a lot of false moves happen on a Monday, and a lot of traders know this, but they still do trade like Shaquille, like yesterday. Yeah, shout out to me, because I still want to inspire you guys, right? No, I'm joking, man. But the thing is that I'll still get involved with the market, but with a very little risk. I won't risk 5,000 rand or like 3,000 rand, because you guys know I risk like between like 3,000, 5,000 rand on a trade, and yesterday I just risked like 1,000 rand. So that was my full risk, you understand? And I will tell everyone, that's what I told everyone, don't risk your full risk, because end of the day it is Monday. So Monday, please, going forward, know this, that if you want to take a trade, take a small risk, right? But not long after that, look what happened. There was the break. There was a clear break out here, right? Look here. Now you know when we get a break, we need to test in there and then sell down, right? Now look at this. Look how beautiful was this. Watch. Test and sell. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You see on Monday? This is Monday. This is Monday. This is Monday. This Monday and Friday not should be traded, guys. It's just not a good day. But then I was like, wow. I was like, wow, beautiful, beautiful. Even if I know, I'll be like, yeah, you just like the market. Listen, the thing worked. Yes, it was playing around for a bit, and it's Monday. So today is Tuesday. You will see, and I mark my words, today will be a much more flowy day, right? A much more clear direction. So I want to add on to this is that if you look at the trend before that, now we're going to add the precision and the trend together. So add the precision, listen to me, add the precision and the trend together. If you understand that, the precision, if you don't understand the precision, go watch my YouTube videos where I shared the precision strategy, right? But you add in the trend with the precision. So if you look at the trend, what was the trend for the day, for yesterday? Shaquille, what was the trend for yesterday? See how I went again my own trades. My own trend is down, right? So the trend was down. So there was already a sign for us which we didn't listen. We didn't listen, right? It was down. And this is why I'm sharing this right now. Shaquille was like, Shaquille, but give me the trade for today, not yesterday, not today, today. You know that from Shucks, if this snake bites, you to die, not yesterday, to die. Right? So right here to die. So yesterday, it was the downtrend, right? So downtrend yesterday, but today we're gonna look for the same thing. It's the exact same thing every day. So the downtrend, that's what we're spotting up. So the first thing in the morning right now is to spot our trend for the day on NASDAQ. If I just did dollar and you guys said buy NASDAQ, so what trend is today for NASDAQ so far? It's bullish. It's up. I didn't even see it yet. I didn't even go through analysis. But let's see. So let's go to today's trend. Let's delete everything, right? And you guys told me, and we just did NASDAQ, right? We did dollar. So let's do now. It should be bullish. Let's check this out. Oh, Shaquille. It's bullish. There, look at, look at. Beautiful, beautiful. Give it a round of applause. Well done. Well done. You did well. Yeah, take the trades, my guys, on your own. Let's go. So trade is right. Today is the 18th. When did the 18th start? Yeah, somewhere around here. So we can see here 18th started here. We had a downtrend. Boom, 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 boom. Market change from downtrend. How do I know it changed from downtrend? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Major point. There's a 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 point. There's actually a point right here. There's a point right here. There's a point right here. Point right here. Point right here. Watch here. Up. Up. So it literally broke the structure. You see, if you don't understand this, go watch yesterday's YouTube video. I posted it yesterday. Like traders, literally go watch yesterday's video. I shared this with you guys. Okay, you still understand? Let me show you guys. High. This is a higher high, right? A higher high. Then what happens? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, higher high, higher high. You see, it changed trend. So from the trend for the day is bullish. It's bullish trend. So it went from bearish to bullish, right? From bearish to bullish. Now let's check this out. I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, Shaquille, was it that easy? Yes. Stop overcomplicating trading. You know what? And have like stop overcomplicating trading. It's that easy, traders. And now you're like, oh, but it's so far. Wait for the market to give you entry. It's that simple. There we got a trend right now. So now we're looking for the market to give us direction to enter for the day. That's what we want. Well done. Well done, Shaquille. Analysis done for NASDAQ. So that is basically for NASDAQ. Why? Shaquille, I'm not saying wait to buy and sell. I'm saying the direction for the day is buying. Okay, so when we do today's live analysis, you guys will keep me accountable as well. Remember the community, right? You saw yesterday I went against my own rules. You guys saw that. I went against my own rules and I said the trend must be bullish. I must continue buying. The precision box should line up with the buy, right? Or for instance, if it's down, it should line up with the sell. Did I follow my rule yesterday in front of everyone? No. You didn't notice because that's how you're so not conscious about it. You must be conscious and mindful. You're supposed to tell me yesterday, Shaquille, you're going against your own rule. And how did I know I went against my own rule? Because I went back and reviewed my trade and I said back, oh my gosh, Shaquille, you went against your trend. So clearly, thank you. Guys, shout out to another one for the day. The one and only, you guys know, the one and only healthy juice comes all the way out from the farm. Healthy as well. Get you some juice, guys. All organic, healthy. Ooh, ooh. So buying for NASDAQ, okay? Write that down. NASDAQ is buying for the day. Here's the analysis for NASDAQ for the day. And Shaquille, where will I buy? When the precision box happen, it should line up for a buy. That is when we buy. We don't trade NASDAQ in London session. We don't trade US 30 in London session. Does that make sense? Okay. We trade NASDAQ in the US session because it's a US pair. It's a New York pair, right? You trade US 30 in a New York pair. You trade gold in a New York pair. Don't try to trade it in the London session. I see a lot of traders. I got a message last week from someone saying, "What do you think about NASDAQ, man? This is London session. Is ES trades in London session." I said, I don't trade it in. I can't give you an opinion, bro. I can't give you anything about the market because, first of all, you trade it in a London session. You must know if we trade NASDAQ, you a New York trader, right? And New York session starts from 3:30. London session, okay, the Swiss franc starts at 9, but London actually kicks in 10 o'clock. London's volume kicking 10 o'clock at every morning South African time. Okay? This one, next one. Does everyone understand this? Drop a thumbs up if you guys understand. Drop a thumbs up right now. Or if you guys have any comments right now, drop a comment down below here in the chat. Drop a comment right now, traders. Let me know. If you guys have anything to say, there's a comment section right now. The comment, the meeting, the chat is open. We first done. Sorry. When would you put your entry in at this stage? I wouldn't put any entry in. Did you just listen or not, bro? Did you not listen? I said to you guys, right? It seems like you don't listen, eh? Can someone please answer this person? I'll appreciate it. Can someone answer this person here? I'll appreciate it. Can everyone answer him, please? Can we please answer this person? The person said the person's question is when would you put your entry in at this stage? It's a stage. Thank you, Mario. Thank you. Thank you. So no, don't say sorry. Don't say sorry. You have nothing. No. Say don't say sorry, bro. You know what I'm teaching you? I'm teaching you something here. I'm teaching you to think like what? To listen, to think consciously, mindfully. So when someone says to you, there's no buying, there's no selling right now, that we just get the direction. And I say to you, we're not entering anywhere. And I say there's no entry. We're not entering. We just get in direction. Then you should understand. So now I already know you don't like to listen mindfully or consciously. You understand what I mean? So when someone asks, it's not about asking a dumb question or asking a question that doesn't make sense or you're new to trading. If someone just said to you right now, the direction is up for the day, and now you ask the question like, what's the direction? Oh my gosh, jump through the window and jump down the building. Because I just said now, the trend is up, we're not buying. And now you ask, what's the trend? And are we buying or selling? Oh my gosh. Traders, I'm not being a bum and I'm not being an asshole, but I want you guys to listen where I'm coming from. Maybe if I calm down and I say to a much more nicer. If someone communicates something to you guys, try to understand the message being conveyed to you. Don't try to listen. Don't try to hear. No, try to hear. Don't try to hear. Try to listen. Because with listening, you're understanding, right? With hearing, it goes here. Listen to understand. Okay? So when I say to someone, the trend is up, we're not buying, we're not selling, but we're going to buy in the New York session. We don't know where yet. We have to see where the market comes. And we use the precision box to buy. So can I do the precision box here? Yes or no, traders? Can I do the precision box here? Yes or no? Can we draw the precision box now? Yes or no? Let me hear. And if you don't know the precision box, thank you, traders. I appreciate it. And if you don't know the precision box, what did I say to you guys? Let the traders answer. What did the traders say? What did I say, traders? If you don't know the precision box, like what is the precision box? What did I say to you guys? I said something because I can't go over it now. Thank you. Thank you. So now you're like, I don't know the precision box. I said to you guys, thank you. See, someone listens. Someone listens there. Right. Go to YouTube. I shared it out for you guys. I have how many live trading? I have like 6 live trading over there. You can check it out. You can see watch me. It was live when I was trading, and it's recorded, and I posted a YouTube about it, only about it. There's a whole mentorship, a free Forex mentorship on YouTube, right? I teach only this. So please, right now, I know I'm not gunning my bro or girl. I'm not gunning you. I'm trying to teach everyone a model right here. That you know why a lot of times traders fail is because they don't understand or listen. They just want to hear what the mentor's saying, right? They just want to hear what the mentor's saying. So, for instance, right now, you just want me to say buy or sell, where buy or sell at the entry. That you're not going to learn anything. Right here, I'm teaching you step by step, and I'm teaching you listening skills, communication skills, right? To understand a message that's been conveyed to you. That's part of communication skills, right? And oh, I'm going off trading. I'm going off trading. Communication skills, Shakil. Where did this come up from? Love you guys. I love you guys. You see this mentorship. This mentorship is crazy. I call that impulsive move. Good luck for you. I said you don't trade in NASDAQ in London session, but good luck for you. Well done to you, man. And really well done for you. We don't trade in this time. It is a New York pay. We trade London pays, London pays. You know, we trade New York pays, New York pays. So I thought it was a well done for you. I'm like actually feeling bad for you. You trained the wrong pay in the wrong time. Well done to you, man. So move on. Let's move on. Next one. So, and I'm being very honest. I'm not being bad to you guys, right? I'm really being honest. I'm being blunt as possible because in trading, there's a lot of BS, a lot of bullshit out here, and people don't tell you the truth. They don't tell it as it is, how it's supposed to be, and the mothers and the fathers of yourself and your friends and families just say, like, you come with a great idea. You think it's a great idea. Oh my gosh, what do you think we paint this blue and we sell it for $50? They're like, wow. I'm like, that is cuck. What idea is that? That's shit. No, next idea, next idea. You know what I mean? But they're like, oh, 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 what the fuck? It's a shit idea. Get a new idea, bro. It's just honesty. Like, and people are like, oh, no, you trade shit. Oh, you trade shit. Get on, get better. Simple. Don't get it too personal. Right? Next one. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys. Yes, Nizam, you're fucking advanced. Where did you get up, bro? Nizam, keep it yourself. Don't shit it. Someone straight. Shh, man. One step at a time, Nizam. Why are you jumping like that? They have that signal mentality, right? I had it too, but now I want the knowledge in order to do it myself and give back one day. Bless up, man. Thank you, Mario. Okay, next one. Let's go. US 30. Ooh, man. Do you guys remember this one? Who remembers this? 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 You guys remember this? Right? I don't trade US 30, but I gave it to you guys, right? So there we go. So now we have another analysis. Yes, it didn't come all the way down there, but the direction is good. The direction is good, you know? Let's go down. So the trend for US 30 for the day is bullish. We all know that. So for everyone who doesn't know, you can look at the date. Boom, 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 boom. They have a bullish trend. So you zoom in for the day, and your trend should be bullish right here. So 17, 18, there we go. There's a trend. Bullish trend. And there you successful. The trend for the day is bullish, my traders. That's it. Nothing much. We're not trading it. Let's move on. All right. GBPUSD. Let's see. Ooh. Bullish. Let's go through 15. Bullish. See the clear trend, right? 18th. Yo. That's been going up. Bullish. Very bullish, in fact. 18th. Yeah. Bullish. There we go. Clear bullish trend. Now I want to teach you something, right? Can I teach you guys something? Do you guys want to learn something about the precision box? We can actually create something. Do you guys want to see how I create something for you guys? Do you guys want to see how we create something? We can do it. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready for this one. Must I create it for you guys? I'll show you guys how I create something. Let me know in the chat box. We have 4 minutes left right here on the Zoom. Should I create something massive for you guys? For the pound, for London session, for everyone who trades London session. This is for you, my guys. This is for you. Yo, guys, school is slowly but surely taking my time off Forex. I don't want to that to happen. Are you guys ready, right? Okay, let me show you guys something. Yeah, CAD CPI, brother. That's correct. That's correct. Traders, by the way, our blog for everyone who wants to know about the news that's happening, it is for you guys. Hey, sorry about that, traders. So, like I said, traders, we have the UK job claim soaring higher, basically meaning it's the jobless people, or there's more jobless people in a nutshell. That's in a nutshell, and that's not good necessarily for the pound itself. Why? Less money being spent. That means that now you're actually, why is this important to me? I don't look at fundamentals. Oh, let me tell you what. If less people are able to spend the pounds or to have even pounds, that means that the pound won't be affected. Okay? That means the pound will be affected, okay, negatively. So now what will happen is that this could lead to further BOE rate hikes. Basically, the government, all right, they potentially, right, the Bank of England, they could potentially consider to increase interest rates. If you read here, right, the Bank of England could consider to increase interest rates to manage inflation. People really can't buy products in the UK. It's like they can't buy stuff because they don't have a lot of money. Inflation is high. So what do they try to do? Increase interest rates, hoping to bring inflation down. What does it mean? Interest rates goes up, people can buy houses. Do you understand? So you see how this is important? It will affect. So if you want to read more about this, I'm not going to go through this. This is the blog. It is for free traders. Why should a trader care? This is all for free. I will send it out in the group as well. Everything will be posted on here for you guys. So if you want to read more on this, there's good stuff for you guys. CAD news, everything US news, the technical analysis as well. There's also about the crypto for you guys. If you guys want to learn about the crypto, yeah. If you want to learn about crypto traders, go check it out. Beautifully written by Robin as well. You can see what's happened to crypto. What is crypto? What is crypto winter? Right? Go learn about crypto. The top 10 cryptos to invest in 2023. Why is a Bitcoin on a bull run? Explained everything, a lot of good things, and from a crypto billionaire. Also some insights from him as well. So you guys want to learn about this, but Bitcoin peaking potentially, right, at 45,000 and higher, potentially going to hit $100,000. We don't know. We're going to see. I invested a lot of my money into crypto traders, and hopefully I become a crypto millionaire. Maybe I do. You never know. I am gonna. I might just be one, and I'm low key. That's who knows. Maybe I'm chilling here, right? And I'm chilling, and I'm doing all these live things for free. You know why? Because I'm a crypto millionaire, and I can just sit and play around, and you're like, Shakil is here. I just chilling out. I'm sitting on a mill, chilling here. Not a million rand, $1 million chilling. And like, let's continue. Let's continue. Give back, give back, give back. I'm like making my child a trust fund baby. Don't hate him because the trust fund baby. Eh? Now you're like, it's a trust fund baby. Let's stop joking, Shakir. Let's go further, man. Trade. So right now on pound for the day, right now, pound GBP, GBP USD for the day is currently bullish. As you can see, this means that we're going to continue looking for buys for the day. I'm going to teach you guys a beautiful strategy I want to share with you guys, but this is overall what we're looking for. The market to test the trend line. So our area of interest will be the trend line over here. This is our area of interest, traders. We're not going to be looking for anywhere but area of interest on the AOI. So AOI is our AOI for this is the trend line, right? Is the trend line for here. Okay, so that in this instance, it's the trend line, right? And on the trend line, we're looking for buys. Okay, traders, remember this. On the trend line, we're looking for buys. So right now, we're far from the mark, from the trend line. So we have to wait for a pullback to consider to buy this market. Right now, we know it's going to continue buying, right? But we don't know where and when yet. At this kind of point, we're waiting for it to come to a valuable area price to consider to take a buy on it. Now, I want to teach you guys something before I move further, or maybe at the end of the, like about the last 10 minutes or 20 minutes of the Zoom, I'll show you guys what I want to teach you the strategy. Okay, I'm going to show you the strategy for the pounds. Let's go to GBP NZD. And on GBP NZD, right? Because it's such a I would say it's such a, what do we call it? A choppy pair. I don't trade it for the day. I will honestly not trade it for the day. So back to back, I'll go back to the higher time frame for you guys. And on the 4-hour time frame, I won't trade this on a low time frame. Like I told you guys yesterday, I will trade this on a high time frame because it's a very choppy pair. So Shakil, how did you know it's a choppy pair? Because you need to understand, in order to understand the market, right? You need to spend some time with it. So because I'm trading for so long, for quite some time, I spend some time with a variety of markets that I could pick up the personality of a market. And each market has its own personality. And what will be my own personality is that each market moves a certain way in the market that will possibly sit with your personality or not. Now, this does not sit with my personality on a low time frame because why? I like day trading, scalping. This market doesn't allow that. The spreads are wider, right? It's just choppy. So on a high time frame, I don't want to take this away from swing traders, but day traders, scalpers, stay away from this market. But swing traders, we're still looking for the buys. It's still on top right here. Let's go further. The pound GBP USD. Now, no, pound JPY, which is the pound against the yen. GJ. On GJ, we can see that, this we could potentially go on the 15-minute, and because why it is more volatile, we can potentially get a move in for the day on this market. Let's check for the day. What is the trend? Now, I would recommend you guys that with this market, let's see. 14, 17, 18. Here we go. There's a trend. Here's a trend. What's the trend for the day over here? It's bullish, right? So you're going to continue looking for buy traders on this market. You don't want to change your direction for GBP, JPY. The trend for the day is bullish. So it seems like the market is quite bullish for the days, right? However, we don't want to marry the direction. We want to be able to adjust ourselves to the market direction. If the market decides to break below you impulsively and we don't get the buy-in, right, we'll look for the retest to continue going for the buy lower. That's how simple it is. For the time being, we are looking for the buy traders. So what we want to look is something like this. Let me show you guys. See the exact same thing here? Mark comes down like this. And then breaks out, and then here we're getting for the buy. Right? So we want something where market does something towards like this, right? Like a little, call it a counter trend when the market goes against the major trend. So the trend here is up, but it has a little counter trend going down. And this is a counter trend, meaning where the main trend is bullish, but this little retracement, we call it retracement, it's a little more market taking a break before it continues in its direction. Before market continues direction, right? It wants to maybe like do a little break, a little correction, a little pullback, a little retracement. People have a lot of names for it, right? A pullback, retracement, correction, and all these patterns, beautiful stuff, right? Don't get too dwelled in those things. The case is that it pulls back a bit, and then once it breaks out of this minor trend and retests over it, I will look for buy. Okay, then I'm gonna look for the buy. So now let me show you what I'm talking about. See the exact same thing over here. If you can be, if you're smart, right, and you do it really quick, look here. Take this and this. That is what we're looking for. The exact same thing over here. That. Oh, Shakil, that was so smart. How did you do that? Yeah. Oh my God, Shakil, that was so smart. I'm looking for a beautiful color for you guys, so you guys can see it, so it doesn't hurt your eyes. Let's look for a beautiful color. Maybe a blue. There we go. Yeah, it works. Like that. Right? So I'm looking for the exact same thing what happened here to happen here. Okay. So meaning, Shakil, the exact same thing, we went up and it starts doing this down, down, down type of thing, right? Follow me, and then it starts going up, it reaches and starts buying. Now, Shakil, did it really happen? Let's go to the down low time frame. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh, it did happen, Shaquille. So it does really happen like that. Yes, it does, traders. So when we look for these scalp and swing trades, you can see there's a break of a trend line, and here's the retest of it. Here's the retest of it. That is the buy over there, traders. So you see, we don't buy over here because it's not like certain yet because the market could just run through over here. We buy off the break of the trend line there. So we go up, the market goes up, right? And then does a correction. Once it's done doing the correction, once it breaks out, right? This is one confirmation. This is one confirmation, a slowdown. This is another confirmation, three confirmations in there. Now I'm going to teach you something I know if you want to be a little faster, go on my YouTube and I taught something about the Fibonacci, right? So you see Fibonacci is one of the tools that I use. And here you can see it's a Fibonacci tool. For those who doesn't know, it is a Fibonacci tool right there. I will teach it to you guys more further. That's the entry one. You can see on the 61%, and there we go, take profit being smashed beautifully. Okay, traders. Now, Shaquille, what do you mean by this? How do we get involved? I understand it is follow up, follow up, follow up. The exact same thing that happened there should happen over here. So meaning it gets the peak, right? We have the peak there. We need a peak. So if this is the peak, it's gonna start doing this, and then we're gonna draw it with like the same with the trend line like that. We draw a trend line like that. Then we wait for the retest, right? And we start buying. Okay, it makes sense. Does everyone understand this? Let me open the chat box for you guys. Does everyone understand what I'm talking about right here for the pound, GBP, JPY? Let me hear from you guys. Make sense? Don't you guys have any questions? Any questions, traders? You guys have any questions of what I've taught you guys now? Or I share with you guys? Shaquille, will you be trading this? No, I won't. Okay. How did you copy that trend? I would recommend you to watch this video again. I'll post it on YouTube for you guys. I just joined. Please send your RazoFix link. We will send it out shortly to everyone. Right. So yeah, we were taking because we started over the copy trade because of Infonox closing down, right? And we moved over as RazoFix. I'll be starting the copy trade completely over fresh. Okay. So that means that we're gonna only take like 50 clients. I'm only start with 50 clients, and yeah, 50 clients. Yeah, exactly. So you're gonna see I'll send a message in the group. First 50 clients that signs up will get it. Okay. Now let's move on. Or make it 100 for you guys. 100 clients. First 100 clients. Yeah. Now you go boom, 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 bye. That's it. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. GBP AUD. Now this pair, I'm gonna give you guys another note. This pair is not not for the plays. This pair is ruthless. It's choppy. Look how choppy it is. It has a trend, it has a major trend, right? It's quite bullish. Major trend is quite bullish. You guys see it. But if you go on a lower time frame, it's choppy. You see it's beautifully up right there. But if you go on a lower time frame, let's go. It's so choppy for me. You know, I don't like such a pair. But anyway, if you want to trade this pair, do note the same thing applies, right? It is a pair that needs to be traded, not necessarily more in the London session, but in the Asian session because of why there's Australian dollar there. Okay. So another hint for you guys: GBP AUD should not be really traded in the London session, but should be traded in the in the Asian session. Okay, guys. So I don't necessarily trade this in this time, but if you want to, the trend is up for the day right here. I'm not going to go into it because it's not really my favorites. GBPCAD. Now because we're having the CAD JPY, right? CPI. That's very important. But if you look at how sharp this thing is going up, so here we have a trend going up, then it just shoots up. If you look at it nicely, the trend was like this. Okay, look, watch. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so what's the trend for the day? Let's look. There's the 18th, 18 somewhere around here. Okay, so look at this. Okay, and then the market just taps into it and then boom, goes off. You see how important is a trend line? it can really do a lot for you guys, eh? Yeah, really. And like, how do you took that trade? How could you have taken that trade? Let me show you guys something. Over here, watch this. This here, watch this. Let's go to the 5 minute. That's a little going down. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, it doesn't show on this time frame. It means I should show it on the 1 minute time frame for you guys. If it doesn't show, there we go. There's it. Beautiful. And you can see the market evolves as it goes or so. But then 1, 2, 1. I'm looking at this right here. 1, 2, and then market misses it, and then here we get the test, and it goes up. So I'm looking for the exact same thing over and over and over for the day's trend, right? On all the markets. So let's go to the 50-minute time frame and see what is happening right now. Oh, Shaquille. So the trend is bullish. So the exact same trend line that we throw in right here, we just move it into the future. Whoop, and there we go. That's your trend. You understand? So there's nothing much on there. GBPCAD on this market. What's the date? 17, 8. There we go. 18 over here. Trend for the day there. There we go. Bullish. And now you guys know when you're looking for a buy, is it when the market comes down towards an area of value and it's a buy. Now, when I say area of value, and I mean in this market comes down to area of value, Shaki, what do I mean? It needs to come down to this trend line with also this puchu, something like this, right? And then breaks out and test it and then it's a buy. Makes sense. So if you look at this right here, right? Here we got that thing, test it down. There's it. Go down to a lower time frame, you get the retest. Okay, so on the 5 minutes, something like that, there should be a retest around somewhere around this area. Yeah, there should be a retest here. So if you look beautifully, there should be a retest, traders. Okay, let's check on a 5 minute time frame. Oh, there was a retest. Look at how beautiful is that. Beautiful is beautiful trades. Look at it. Beautiful. Watch. So you can see that as clean as possible. Yeah. There. Look how beautiful is that. Beautiful. So you see, right over this area right here, if you look nicely, over this region over there, we have the break and it's piss, and then it goes off. You understand? So the same thing that we're looking over here for, we're looking over must happen here. Makes sense. Okay, traders, over and over again. Nothing really. So with NASDAQ, we again using, we're going to look for, just to recap for you guys, it's the same thing like that. NASDAQ, wanted it's up, wanted to buy. So we can for that pullback. When I look at pullback traders, I'm looking for what? This. Something to go down and then boom, go up. Okay, traders. I'm gonna do questions for you guys. Any questions? You can unmute yourself, raise your hand, and then unmute yourself. I'll choose you guys, of course. If you guys have any questions, raise your hand if you want to unmute. Raise your hand. You can raise your hand. Not a problem. Noah, let's go, Andrew, bro. Andrew, what's popping? Let's go,
Hey,
bro.
Shaquille.
How you doing, bro?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. What's happening?
So, my question today is based on risk management. So, when back testing, a lot of people tell you that you should only risk 1% of your account. Yes.
Yeah.
So, what I came to find out was that when I would be risking 1%, right? And as a trader, you're normally in like a few different type of trades, maybe let's say 5 or 4 or 3, depending on the type of trade. When you're risking whatever amount of your account, do you risk from your equity or your balance?
Good question. Good question. So when I start, okay, let's do it. When I start my like you see with RazorFix, you must understand. I also just started an account there, so I'll just deposit. I can actually just show you guys. I just deposited. I can actually show you guys now. I'll show you now. I just deposited money into there, right? So it's a fresh account. So when I start off with the money I have in there. But now let's say I made some profits. Then it's now no more. Let's say I deposit 2,000 and I made 500. Now it's 2,500. So now I can't calculate anymore on 2,000. I calculate on 2,005 now. Makes sense. So it keeps increasing with the equity as it goes, as it goes, it grows, as it grows. I'll include what I've made as well. But if I lose, I can't hold on to 2,000. Let's say I lost 500 rand and I started. It's now 115. That means I can't calculate anymore on 2,000. I calculate on 1,005.
So if that's the case, do you amount you're risking on active profits or the profits that you've already secured?
Profits you secured. You can't go active profits. Maybe the trade's running, it can go wrong, and then you blow your account because most likely it will get margin call if you have too much trades. Something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. That's good questions actually, bro. Nice questions. Thank you. Any other people? Raise your hands. Don't feel scared, guys. You know, we're a community here. I think we know each other. Fabian, I see a lot of you guys. Andrew, I know the Andrew also. Geo Smith, shout out to you, bro. I see Nizam as well. Khalid, I see as well. Zamir, I see a lot of you guys. I notice a lot of you guys like Robin. I know, of course, Mario. I see a lot. Like I know a lot of people who are active. Camilo, Chris, Damien, Pri. Raise your hand, guys. You know, when you have a personal relationship, you do some funny shit to them, you know, like with maybe I have like Pumula. Yeah, we know. Then I do Jeff. Yeah, then something else. Yeah, because you have a different relationship with each one. Kurt, let's go. Kurt, you can unmute yourself now. Hey, Kurt, can you hear me? Hey, man, how are you?
I'm good, yourself, man.
I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. I'm blessed.
Nice to see you, man. Shakil, I think following the trend line, I usually used to wait for it to get actually to the trend line. You know, the actual trend line. But now I saw you looked at that specific trade and you actually went to that support line. Yeah. You
I'm
see,
confused.
yeah, when you the trade that we just the setup that we were just looking at now.
Let's go through the chart. Let's go through the chart. Okay, this is NASDAQ, no? Let's talk about this one.
Yeah.
Yes,
No, the one before this one. The one before this one.
Okay, let's go. What was the one before this one? CAD
Was
GBPCAD.
yeah, it was that
Okay.
one. You see, when you went to the lower time frame,
Which is here right now, yeah.
Yeah, you see, it didn't come.
Oh,
it
you
didn't
will
come
wait.
to the,
Oh, you will wait for the trend line to be touched.
I will wait for the trend line to be touched. Yeah,
that will be like another confluence. If it touches like a support and a trend line, that's like, oh, solid. But like when it touches like a support, immediately I'm in. Because then remember your low, your stops can't be like here. Like it needs to be under structure, like your structure. You see, so you enter like there, your structure there. Don't be like cheap with the stop loss. So people are very scared. They want to put a tight stop loss here. So you put a stop loss under structure, you enter there, and you should have a bigger a bigger take profit. You know, up all the way up.
Yeah, and you see from that point, when you use your fib from that point, so now sometimes I would exit too quick, you know. So I just need a little bit of guidance on, you know, what would be the best place for you to exit from after I've now entered that trade specific there. What would be now the best area for me to exit the trade? You just went silent now.
Oh, you mean like where your take profit will be, like where you exit your exit point? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's like, I'm gonna give you like people have different approach to it, but I'm gonna give you like I have different approach. Like everyone knows my approach to the precision is like literally, some people don't like it. It's a 1:1, like, and I'm out. Like it's everyone knows that, right? It's literally 1:1 and I'm out. And because it's like the profitability will be high, maybe it's like a 98% of the time you win it, but it's like you will lose that other 20 or 10% or 2%, whatever you lose, right now. But then the other strategy with this method, this approach, it will be based off Fibonacci, or we call a 90% rule. So most of the time the Fibonacci, and I'm going to teach you, I'll show you now on the chart what I'm talking about, even 90% rule, or the which is, I didn't create this, right? This is something also was taught, I learned this, right? So you have a 90% rule, and it's by the Elliott wave. So I'll show you what I'm doing by this, okay?
The Elliott wave theory.
Yeah, it's like Elliott wave theory, 90% rule. So basically, this year, you see where it starts going down here, where it starts going down, no? From the top, where it
Yes.
starts, that day is called the 90% rule. That should be
Yeah.
that should be a target, in fact. But now the thing is, if I'm
Okay.
putting stops here at the bottom, I can't use it as my target, because then it means like it's not doing, so risk to ratio won't be so good, right? So that's why
Yeah,
I will
there is.
go, it's bad.
Yeah.
So I'll use Fibonacci instance. That's when I will use a Fibonacci. My Fibonacci tool will be my target points. This is my
Yeah.
target. So basically it's 61% over there, and I added the 100%, but that 61% is my target basically. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I have 61.8.
Yeah. That I'll use that basically.
0.618.
I
Yeah.
use that minus 61. Yeah, like, I use that as my take profit. Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, thank you, bro. I
It's pleasure,
appreciate
man.
all you
But
do
but
for us,
that
man.
but if method, like, I know people like, I don't want to say this, but I have different approaches to each market. So I want, like, I have
Yeah.
maybe like my NASDAQ is approach is totally different to pound, like maybe GBUSD. Do you guys see that? So maybe I'll
Yeah.
use maybe swaps of liquidity or with the trend line, which I can't share everything one day. It's like our Zoom call will be like what 5-6 hours, so I just show you as time goes on. The main thing is the trend, which way to come towards with this, but each methodology has a different approach. So that what I'm sharing with you is with this, what I'm sharing now is a trend line with the Fibonacci. That's what you want to use,
Yeah.
or those 90%, one of the two,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Shaquille, then you see with your precision strategy, ne?
Mhm.
I really like it. I really like
Can
it
you take
because
the
it gives me
losses
the
though? Can you take a
yeah,
loss?
no. Yeah,
No,
I've
no,
been
it's
taking
kidding.
a loss, but
Okay,
it's
no kidding.
fine.
Mhm.
No, that's trading. But you see, the only one thing that that I do is that you say, for instance, where is the 1:1 where you will exit or take profit, then I would move my break even
Yeah, you
till
can
that
do that.
point.
Yes, you can do that. Yeah.
Yeah. So then there's because most of the times that Nasdaq just goes crazy from there.
Yeah, 100%.
So now we are
Yeah,
out of the
I'm
market.
sure you. I'm glad you saw that. Like once it gets direction of that move, once you get, like, it just goes one way.
It
Yeah,
just goes
but like
crazy.
I'll be honest with you. Most of the times I mess up. So I just accepted like the 1:1. Like,
Is it?
yeah, I accepted.
No, there must be a
My
reason
mental state
why.
can't take it. My mental state can't take it, man. Like, at some point when I'm too long in the trade, I can't fucking handle the fucking trade anymore. And that's why I just say, fuck it, I'm out. So I will be able to, and
Okay.
this is like, I just accept it, because trying to be like holding the trade for like 1:6, 1:3, 1:5, it sounds
No
amazing.
precision.
But in that time, NASDAQ, that's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock the night. I'm still sitting on the
Yeah,
chart. I can't.
yeah,
And now I have a son on the way, so I want to be more active with him.
yeah,
Now I have a
yeah.
family. I'm like, so much things to take care of. I have you guys to fucking take care of as well. So it's like, I can't, like, you know what I mean? So for me, it's like, I understand you can't do that actually. It's just me
Yeah.
personally. No, it's a no. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's good. Thank you, man.
Yeah. Pleasure, man.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
God bless you, man.
Thank you.
God bless you.
I wanted to show you
All right.
guys something, right? I wanted to show you guys. Remember that I said the last 10 minutes, I want to show you guys for pound, right? And I see this Kurt and his bro. Hits it, vibes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You see, that's a good connection. You don't understand. You only each one have a connection. I'm like, yeah. There's so much people on you. Just me and him knows. Yeah. Look at, he knows again. Yeah. You see, he does it again today. Yeah. Look, do it again. You see, I told you. Look, watch. Yeah. You guys don't see it. Fucking look here. Wait. Watch this. Yeah. You guys don't see it, bro. The thing is that we, like, each person we have, like, yeah, bro. What's happening? I wanna show you. Let's take him, bro. What's happening? I see your hand raised.
Hey there, man.
How you doing, bro?
I'm good, and you?
I'm blessed, man. Thank you. I see we have the connection going there
Yeah.
for the moment.
Yeah, it's all about the connection,
Yeah. What's happening, bro? What's the question?
So I've been watching you for a while. I think it's about 6 or 7 months right now, or a year maybe. I've been liking what you're doing. Actually, I will be seeing you live each and every time on YouTube. When you say like before I close it, everything like that.
Mm.
So my question is, I do write the trend line, as you say. I do strategize and then write each and everything down, and then draw the trend line. But the question is to me, the entry. When do I know to entry? When do I know, okay, this is going to be my stop loss here?
Mm.
Once it breaks,
Okay,
you might find that it's going to break.
is this for the precision or is this for like the day trend? Like what are you talking about?
Okay, both. With let's say beside the strategy of yours of precision, I know the strategy that I wait for the candles to close outside of the 7 minutes and then
Yes.
come back and then go out. I understand that.
Yeah.
But on the side, we still have to trade other currencies.
Okay,
So I still have to,
So how do you know, like you say where to enter? Is that number one? You must decide, like, do you enter Fibonacci number? Do you enter support? So for me, I like Fibonacci numbers. Like I like the Fibonacci. So I'll wait for Fibonacci. Do we test on the Fibonacci number? Once you test the Fibonacci number, I'm in. You see, so me personally, I trade it's Fibonacci, right? And then I add my trend line. So once it breaks my trend line and gives my Fibonacci test, I'm in, bro. So I enter Fibonacci. The Fibonacci, I have a YouTube video on it actually. So Fibonacci tells me where to put my stop loss and it tells me where to put my take profit. So I don't have to think where to do it. If you understand how to draw the Fibonacci properly, like I won't lie. Like once you understand the Fibonacci properly, you understand. Okay, the Fibonacci will tell you where to put stop loss and take profit. There's nothing like magic about it. It's only that, bro. Basically, yeah.
So it's all about the Fibonacci with the golden zone, which is 50.
Yeah, yeah. You see, you understand. Right? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Just but go and use it properly. Just make sure you use it properly. That's it. So Fibonacci is very powerful, bro. It's very, very powerful. It's one of the things that helps to tell me stop loss here, take profit there, or if I'm selling the other way around. Yeah, because I use the 100% as my stop loss. You see, 100% is my stop loss, and my minus zones are my take profits.
Your minus zone are your take profit.
Yeah, and my entries are the golden zone. So like that's 78 and the 61.
So basically, you buy where there's a golden zone.
Yes.
50 and 60 something. That's
yes.
Going to
yes.
Go on your
yes. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as it touches there, I'm in. Is immediately, bro. Yeah. I don't look for candlestick. No candlestick. Just as soon as it reaches, I'm in, bro. Immediately. Because I don't use candlestick. Okay. Yeah. 100%.
Oh, let's say, and then it breaks the support or the resistance line, and then it never comes back for retest.
I don't worry.
Do you still wait? You don't even worry.
I don't worry.
So
I leave it.
You no longer enter the trade, right?
No more.
Leave it.
Yeah, leave it. Once it continues going down, I just leave it, and then I'll wait for it to do a new trend. And then let's say it's from uptrend, it breaks the trend, and it starts a new trend. Then I'll start looking for a trade in there. Yeah.
Oh, so basically, once it breaks and it never retested, just forget about the other break and then look for a new one.
Yes, until it creates a new trend, then I will consider, okay, let's get in now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But remember, that's why you must be patient. If like this, if this happens in the 4 hour, it takes days, weeks, bro. Yeah. So you see why I don't trade that. I can't be patient enough, bro. I want to pay. I need to make money and do shit. So for me, it's like I usually do the day trading and scalping. It works for me. You see, because I don't have to wait so long. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I do also. I'll be watching you maybe around the time that you're going live on me. So I'll be like, okay, let me go and sit down in my room and start watching the guy and show me what to do.
But it's good,
by the time that you're doing that, yeah, it's good. But you will be, let's say, you will analyze and stuff already. I'll be comparing what I did before you even started doing what you're doing.
There we go. Yeah.
I'm on the right track, whether I'm going to do the right thing with you or I'm in the different route.
That's it. That's good. And even if you're in a different route, is listen one minute on here, right? Even if you're in a different route, you don't change it. Because then you're not going to learn from your loss. If you have a different direction, you stick with it because that could be a right direction. And also, even if it's wrong, you're going to learn from your mistake. Don't change because Shakil says buy now and you say sell. Trust analysis. Yeah, no, trust the analysis, bro. Because that's what I did. I trust my analysis. The same with you. You must trust your analysis, and that's where the confidence comes in. You know. 100%,
It's
bro.
all about what's behind the concept of the analysis.
Exactly.
And the
We have, let's say,
strategy.
we have like few seconds. If I don't want it to be rude, and it just ends up in front of us, man. You know, I want to still show you guys something, but I think maybe we could do it. I don't know. Should I do another Zoom for you guys? Like, I don't know, like quick. Maybe I should do another Zoom for you guys.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, we
Probably.
still have time. Don't we?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. If I should do another Zoom for you guys.